Mommy was a bad mommy today. I covered up Bentley's box. I forgot. He looks so sad. Aww. He has a box he likes to go in, and I put this lid on. I opened that. Oh, you can't see it. I opened another box, and I put the lid down. Uh-oh. Here. And he's saying, what do I do now? What do I do now? Do I go in it? See? Oh, yes he does. He goes in it. There he goes. That's his favorite thing. He squashes it out and he's got his paw up there. He loves that box. I gotta remember not to set that lid on there by mistake. This is where I keep all my knitting stuff. It's my craft room. He says, no, it's my Bentley room. Oh, Bentley says, it's my room. That's what he says. That's how Bentley talks. Talks like in cat. He looks comfier now. Look at his paws. Yeah. His paws sticking all down. His back paws. Kind of see those back there. All tucked in nice and neat. Bentley is a very classy cat. When I turn the camera on, he knows it. And he's a beautiful cat. And he's the star of my blog. Everybody loves Bentley. When I photograph him, I think, oh, this doesn't do him justice. No. There's not much left of his box. That's about it. Keeps falling to pieces and we put it back together. And he loves it. Kitties like tight places. I don't know why it is, but they all do. That's what makes them comfortable. He also likes to turn away from me, which is, I guess it's a little signal what he wants. I should get lost.